ipakonday ta, takas niyo mo na eh. Hindi, ang tul mo data ko, binalot natin ko ha.
Happy na birthday mo pa! Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na! Ilang taon ka na! Blow your candle, make a wish!
How I do. Let go of a prayer for you.
Andito kami sa McDo. B.
Saan ka napapadpad kapag tumatakas ka? Here in McDo.
Just a sweet word. The table is prepared for you.
Ba't may kasaling ganyan? Hindi yan iba punch.
Kayo nga magaganyan ako, ganito.
Oo, bakit? May makdo kami.
Si Calvo parang batang pinapagalitan.
Please. Ate, papunch na rin. Bahala ka naman. Napunch ka ba? Uy, nice. Oh, hindi na mababalik. Hindi na mababalik yung napunch. I'm sorry. Success. Ito na rin. Ayaw niyo.
Wishing you Godspeed.
Competitive.
There will be mountains you won't move. Still, I'll always be there for you. How I do. I let go of my claim on you. It's a free world. You look down on where you came from sometimes, but you'll have this place to call home always.
Angel! Hey guys!
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na na.
Hi guys! Introduce yourselves. This is for my vlog. Ay, shoes, ang ganda. What's your name?
My name is Justin Bieber. And I'm from HK.
Hi, what's your name? Introduce yourself.
I'm Angel Mar de la Cruz.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
Taga dito nasa gilid.
What's your name?
My name is Francine Nicopie Rivera.
Who is this next to you? What's your name?
What's your name? Izzy.
Izzy!
Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo.
Hi guys!
Sarap ng balot, guys.
What are you eating?
Balot.
Balot?
Craving satisfied.
Craving satisfied. What are you eating?
Balat.
What is that?
Balat.
Balot?
Penay.
Penay?
Chacharon.
Chacharon? What are you guys eating?
It's called balot.
It's called balot. Is it
Ano naman,
tasty?
balot?
Is it tasty? Look at the moon there, you guys. It's so pretty.
Hindi niya matapon-tapon yung shell. Inuubos niya yung suka mo, kuya.
Kasi nung suka.
Sarap.
Nakaka-addict.
Inuubos niya na yung suka mo, kuya. Hindi niya matapon yung shell.
Ano na yung 5-6? Joke lang.
Okay.
Victoria.
10, 10, 20, 30, at
Bulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibon dumudulog at tinatawag na tayo ng bundok.
Ano yun? Asan na yun? Tawag dyan?
Makas na tayo
Atlantic and Pacific Ocean
malayo
daw.
sa maraming tao. Kulay at magtago sa maingay at malabong mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging habagat at hampas ng alon dumudulog at niyayakag na tayo ng karagatan.